Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and in this video I will show you to use the main tools we have in Congrea. The first one is screen share. When we click on this icon that says screen share, we have three options. The first one, it says your entire screen, application, window, and Chrome. So let's choose the first one, my entire screen, and then as you can see, this is not activated. To activate the share option, I have to click inside. Can you see? Now we can share. And then I'm sharing my screen. Another option we have is screen share and then application window. As you can see, I have a PowerPoint presentation there. Again, I click inside and the option to share is activated, so I can share it. Then I can start presenting. I can move my slides using this button, so at the low part of the screen, yeah. So I can move backwards and forwards, yeah. And when I finish, I can just close my presentation and go back to my Congrea class and then stop sharing and continue. Another thing we can do with Congrea is adding a poll. Yeah, here we have the questions that the previous presenters have created. I also have a question for my presentation at the end. Yeah, so I have this question about the presentation today about the typical food from my country. This is, would you like to try japingachos? That was my question. And I could edit the question or I can publish it. When I publish, I think that the people who are attending my class should be able to read and choose the correct answer. Or not in this case, it's not the correct answer, but the answer of their preference. Well, so as you can see, we have some tools, as I said, sharing the screen. If we don't want to share, we just click on cancel. And we also have another tool that could be useful for our students, and that's the whiteboard, where they can use this option that says text. When they click on text, they can write. Yeah, they can also choose the color of the pen they want to use. Let's say they want pink color. And then if they start writing, for example, welcome, we can mark and then select the color, and yeah, the color is changed. Okay, so these are some of the tools we have in Congrea. I hope you like this system and you start exploring and using it. Thank you very